Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Mi Pocket Power Bank Pro. You can see that this particular power bank comes with 10,000 mAh capacity, is 22.5 watt fast power delivery. It is super lightweight, has compact form and dual layers of advanced protection. Also made in India, despite the fact that this is from Xiaomi. Okay, we have some more information, more or less the same information as one ahead and one in front basically. And let's just open this box and take a look at the power bank. No, that is it. This is all we have inside this box. This is a USB-C type cable for connecting it to other devices. And finally, we have the power bank itself. Let me just give you a closer look. There you can see this is what the power bank looks like. You can see it's written over here, it's 10,000 mAh. Over here you can see there are quite a number of ports. You have two USB-A ports, one USB-C port, one micro USB port. And this is the power button, and you will also notice some LED indicators over here as well. The Mi logo is quite prominent over here. It has this nice rugged texture. It has a very compact but solid form factor. This will not break anytime soon. Finally, we also have a user manual for the 10,000 mAh Mi Pocket Power Bank Pro. You should read it at least once. And that's it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Mi Pocket Power Bank Pro. Thank you for watching.